VCAA VCAA 2013 Exam 2, Section 1, Question 18 here. Let g of x is equal to log base 2x, where x is greater than 0. Which one of the following equations is true for all positive real values of x? So let's look at the first question and substitute that in. So that would be 2 log base 2 8x is equal to g of x squared plus 8. So we can see the first side is all the same. So I'm just going to focus on that first side for now. And then we're going to come back to the second side. So let's look at rearranging everything that we have here. So I'm going to apply that 2 with our power law, and that will give me log base 2 h squared x squared. I'm then going to use my addition rule of logs. H squared plus base 2x. The next part, what I'm going to look at is, I'm just going to simplify this. If I take the 2 back out the front, 2 to the power of what is 8, 3, because log base 2, 8 is 3. So that'll be 3 times 2 is 6. So that part gives me 6. And then here I've got plus log base 2x squared. Now that's 2, I can keep it there, or I can take the 2 out the front. So I could have it as that, or I could have an answer with the 2 out the front. So now I need to see, at the moment, if we're looking at some transformation, so this is the right-hand side, it's got plus 6. So that's kind of what I'm looking for at the moment. So straight away, E's cancelled, C's cancelled, and A's cancelled. Because both of the examples have a plus 6, that vertical shift. The next thing I'm going to look at is I've either got an x squared, which both of these have a x squared in there. So B has an x squared and D does not, which means if I would need it to be D, I need a 2 to be out the front of g of x, but I don't. So therefore it has to be B.